So scary. Okay, and now we arrived to the beautiful place. There's some zebras, some giraffes, and that big loaded animal. What? Don't make me get wet. Okay, I think they're nice. They're nice, don't worry. Just want to say hello to us, maybe. Okay, come on, there's hippo food. No, that's it. It's over 6,000 more people. No, don't crash my boat. Oh, no, don't hit us. Oh, look at this. So if you scare those hippos, don't like that. I think those guys do not argue with rhinos. You see, the rhinos always get their prosperity and the highness. What? Oh, come on. Why so many skeletons? Whoa, this boat is full of scouts. Okay, it must be Headhunter Reddish, the bloodthirsty Headhunter, you know? So if you want to get... Oh, no! Get down, please! No, boy, right on the door! Let's get over here right now. No. Okay, stop it. Okay, stop it. Okay, very good. Alright, bro, did you get hurt? Are you okay? Okay, if you think you get hurt, just put it on and put it back, okay? You will be fine. At this moment, we need to get off here immediately. We need to return to our civilization. This all the way down, and oh! What is this? Come on, guys, alright, please. We need to turn now. Oh. Sorry, ladies and gentlemen, we cannot go back home. And now, this place is called the Cannon of God. It's followed by yellow water and yellow fire. You scared of the fire? More fire. What's the reason now? Come on, don't worry. We're not get out here. If you feel scared, just close your eyes. I open my eye, close one whole square. Finally, we return to our civilization. Don't worry, folks. You're all safe because you're still in my boat. That means you're still alive. Don't worry, girls. Thank you very much. Thank you. Oh, and look, this is the baby elephant. Last time we saw it in the jungle before. So if you're lucky, you can take it home. You can take the baby elephant home. Okay. Now everybody, please keep your hands, arms, feet and legs inside the boat because this is time to finish our romantic trip. Okay. So you guys, did you know that? You guys, you were absolutely outstanding. Very good. In a few moments, you guys will be absolutely outstanding over there on the dock. So thank you very much. Hope you enjoyed the trip. Remember, today I'm your skipper Jack. Have time, just come back and visit me. Thank you very much.